Hi! In this video we're checking out 5 cryptocurrencies right now that make me excited, that I personally believe will be pumping strongly over the next few weeks or months. Now, no, it isn't Bitcoin on the screen that we can see right here at $67,000 by the way, but I did want to just quickly mention Bitcoin at this price level because let's just face it, if we go back in time, the last time Bitcoin was at 67k, it was during 2021, and it felt euphoric, exciting, and parabolic. Right now, $67,000 for a Bitcoin is feeling boring. It's feeling a little bit like, what's going on? Nothing is happening. We're getting comfortable at this level. And because it's boring, that makes me wonder, what can the next price be for the next wave of euphoria and parabolic momentum in the crypto markets? That's something none of us know, but it is something that does make me highly believe that this market is way not over yet. We're holding here, and I think we can still see 100k plus Bitcoin. Anyways, guys, 67 on the Fear and Greed Index yesterday we had, and now we're creeping back into 70 plus. So let's talk about these cryptocurrencies, and we're going to start the first one, which happens to be Solana itself. Solana, we are seeing a huge climb here on the TVL. The volume is looking good, but the TVL mostly is looking very, very strong, and Solana is looking great on that 1 month time frame right now. And when we look at some previous sort of resistances for Solana, usually it does peak up to about $184, 186, 190, and the $200 mark on that 1 year time frame. But you can see it's really ranged between about $200 and let's say $120, but it's getting towards that resistance barrier again. And I think we could see really Solana play very well. $81 billion market cap. I think it's still got the potential to get to $400 to $500 billion market capital by the end of this bull run. By looking at the market capital, it is indeed sitting again very, very nicely. There's been a few tokens injected, hence why the market cap is higher now, but the price is not higher than the previous all-time high because there are more tokens circulating, a bit of inflation, shall we call it. But the consolidation that we're seeing here, the long-term sideways that we're getting around this price range, makes me think that $100 billion plus will be crumbled for Solana in terms of market capital. So that's coin number one. If you want to purchase this coin, you can use exchanges like Blowfin, no KYC, globally accessible, where you can buy Solana, enjoy copy trading, staking, trading bots, and more. And you can see what a fantastic dashboard. So buy your crypto with this exchange if you do want to also do it the decentralized way. We're going to move into coin number 2 now. So Solana, I think honestly a good hold, not financial advice. This is coins I believe will do well. Of course, you might have a different opinion as well. So the next one will be Pepe the Unchained. Pepe now has his own blockchain. As you can see over here, guys, it's a layer 2 extension of Pepe coin itself. We can see they've raised $22.7 million. In 4 hours, the price goes up again. One Pepe token is $0.01178. Really nice. It's a meme coin with a layer 2 flair and product utility about it. When we look at their Twitter, we can see you've got a DEX, a bridge, a layer 2 ecosystem, a block explorer, and that's not even Pepe's final form. So here are a few like cartoonized sort of bits of artwork over the ecosystem itself. Pepe Unchained now has 47.4k followers on Twitter, which is pretty good to see as well. And yeah, overall, it looks pretty solid. It's a good ecosystem, and it could be a new coin in the meme coin space that does climb quite well once it goes live. Of course, right now it's not live and you have to wait until the IC is over, but this is the breakdown of the ecosystem. Hopefully it can do well. Not financial advice. Please never risk more than you can afford to lose. 8 billion total tokens with 40% going to the pre-sale over here, and very soon, in a few weeks, this coin should be launching. I'm very excited to see what's going to happen. If you're keen to look at it, you can purchase research by connecting a MetaMask wallet or a hot wallet and converting either Ethereum or Tether into your Pepe tokens. Also, you can use BNB. If you want to switch to BNB, you won't be able to do the 101% staking, but you will mitigate the larger gas fees. The next coin will be Moonwell, everybody. This coin is absolutely on fire right now. So Moonwell on the month by price alone from 0.03 up to 0.1. That's a 3x in 30 days. Really, really insane. And you can see it's had 2 parabolic waves already. If we look at all of the price history, we can see it's been in a lull for a while, but the volume is really starting to pick up at the moment now. It's pumping, so we know that the upside potential is minimizing constantly, and there could be some sort of pullback at some point. But this is an interesting sort of lending protocol, very similar to Aave. So this could be another good one to do a bit of research on. You can lend and borrow with confidence in the blockchain world across the Moonwell chain and ecosystem. So it's very, very cool to see. And this makes me also think of another coin that I've been meaning to cover more and talk about more, which will actually be coin number 4. So this one here, Moonwell, accessible on a few exchanges. In fact, loads of different exchanges on the centralized side. Take your pick. And yeah, if you like it, hopefully it does well in the future. Next one that I'm very, very, very bullish on is Aave. Mark Cuban himself is extremely bullish on Aave. This is another lending protocol. It says access the full power of DeFi. This is the world's largest liquidity protocol. Supply, borrow, swap, stake, and more. So this is insane. 20.74 billion of liquidity is currently supplied in Aave. Of course, you can supply, you can borrow. It's brilliant. It's absolutely fantastic. It is the blockchain solution to lending, borrowing, removing the intermediaries that you don't want, and just generally being in control of these sort of assets as well. So very liquid, very cool, and I love the token. And I think just looking at the month, yes, it's come down a bit, but on the year it really was picking up very nicely from $79, come up to 172. It's pulled back a little bit, which is absolutely fine. It still means we can see potentially a $200+ price tag for Aave. When we look at the market cap for Aave, it actually had an MC of around 7 billion last time around. We're sitting at just 2 billion. So I personally think it could do a 3x, and it's one of my favorite coins out there. So lower risk profile, hence also the lower sort of multiplier potential, but another great pick out there in terms of its utility and fundamentals. If you like this coin, I think it's going to go up in the next sort of alt season that we have and bull cycle. It could do very well. You can grab some, like I say, on the Blowfin link down below. If you use Blowfin, you're going to get sign-up bonuses and rewards as well. Now the last one is Tars AI. This is fully supported and backed by Solana. How bullish is that? So we can see this coin is a low market cap gem. It's $70 million on the MC, and it's another great one with a big supply, 1 billion tokens, and we can see 54% is circulating at the moment. Looking at the price structure, it's held pretty flat along the year, but we've seen multiple spikes throughout the year as well. On the month, it is down a little bit. It's actually down about 40%, a bit of a pullback right now, so it could potentially be a buying opportunity if you are bullish on these artificial intelligence tokens. But this is one that is on the Solana ecosystem. It says the AI architecture protocol on Solana. Symbiotic AI app ecosystem dedicated to 1 million plus Solana users, building the future of AI on Solana. So it's one that you've got to do research on. It's a low cap, hence it's going to be riskier than the others. But right now, the market is in a bit of sort of consolidation. It's being pulled up and down from different strings by different sectors and different news and just different, global economies. And right now, I still think crypto is going to be the biggest asset class of the decade coming, or century. So yeah, to revise this video and what we just looked at, we had coin number 1 being Solana. Very bullish on this coin. Coin number 2, Pepe Unchained. The link is down below should you wish to buy this and research token. Coin number 3 is the Moonwell lending protocol. Very nice 1 month charts of this. Coin number 4 is the Aave protocol. Really bullish on this, and I think long term it's going to fly again and hopefully hit those $200, $300, even $400 levels. The last coin is Tars AI over here. So that's about wrap of the video. If you're new, check out the Patreon. It's right down below if you want to start making more money from home or wherever you are. Make some time, location, financial freedoms, and fingers crossed we're going to see these markets enter parabolia by mid-November, December. And I think a lot of people are betting on a massive, massive Q1 of 2025. Please subscribe if you're new here. Thank you for watching, and like the video, share the video if you think Bitcoin will hit $100,000 this bull market. Stay care. Peace.